Welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about Talambralu scene in marriage dolls, wedding dolls in quilling model. It is very easy to make. So without any delay, let's start the video. Now join 5 mm 28 strips and you have to make again join 3 mm 28 strips tight coil. Make total 2 tight coils of 5 mm and 3 mm of 28 strips. My one strip length is 28 cm and make a little small dome as shown in the video and apply glue neatly inside the dome as shown in the video. Apply glue and spread it neatly with the help of brush. Spread it neatly. After spreading, let it dry for some time. It have to totally dry. After drying, connect the two domes, 3 mm dome and 5 mm dome. Now dome is ready. Now join 5 mm 4 strips. Here I am making legs for bridal. Make a cone shape. Apply glue inside the cone and spread the glue inside the cone with the help of toothpick. With the same process I have made another cone. Now again join 5 mm 3 strips and make a cone shape. Here I am making leg of second part. With the same process make another one also. Now take small one of 3 strips and make in a cut shape with the help of scissors as shown in the video. Now connect like this as shown in the video. It will be the legs for bridal. Apply glue. After drying you have to connect like this. After drying the cone you have to connect like this. With the same procedure connect the another leg also. Now after drying connect the legs to the dome like this as shown in the video. Let it dry for some time. After drying it will be like this. Now legs are ready. Now take a piece of paper and apply pearl color paint and it will be the saree for bridal. Now make a pleats for the saree. Make pleats in the middle as shown in the video and take a brinjal color paper and attach on the edge part of the saree. It will be the big border for the saree. It will give a nice pattu saree look as you can see in the video. Now apply glue in middle of the pleats as shown in the video. Apply it neatly. After drying, now connect the this saree around the legs like this in a samosa shape like this. It should be hold the legs like this. After covering it will be like this. Now leg part is ready. Now join 5 mm 20 strip. It will be the stomach part for bridal. Now apply glue and connect this tight coil to the legs like this. Let it dry for some time. After drying I have connected a stomach part around the brinjal border like this. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making middle part for the bridal. Make a little dome shape as shown in the video. My one strip length is 28 cm. Again join 3 mm 25 strips of skin color and make a small dome shape. Now apply glue around the domes neatly. Apply glue neatly and spread it neatly with the help of brush. Let it totally dry. Let it leave some time. After drying, connect the two domes as shown in the video. Here I am making Talambralu set in the marriage scene. Now connect the neck. For making neck, join 5 mm 2 strips. Now neck is also ready. Now apply glue on the down part. Apply glue neatly and connect to the stomach part like this. Now I have attached brinjal color paper and I have designed with the fabric liner, 3D outliner. I have designed the blouse like this to give a more bridal look. I have taken another piece of paper and I have made pleats for the making of saree. Now connect these pleats around the base body of the bridal like this. You have to paste with the help of glue. Now I have pasted around. It is looking super cute. It is looking like a pattu saree. Now again join 5 mm 3 strips. Here I am making hands for bridal. Now apply glue inside the dome. With the same process I have made another also. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a little bit cone shape. Here I am making hands. Make little bit bigger cone and apply glue around the cone and apply neatly with the help of toothpick. Now again join 3 mm 2 strips and make a small tight coil and close the cones like this. After drying it will be like this. Now again join 3 mm 3 strips. Here I am making palm for the hands. Now connect palm to the hands like this. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. Make two and it will be the bridal, so I have painted red color like a mehendi. Now hands are ready. Now apply glue to the upper hand. Now connect with the lower hand like this. Now hands are ready. With the same process I have attached the second one also. Now hands are ready for the bridal. Now again join 5 mm 9 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making face for the bridal. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now apply glue. Again join 3 mm 8 strips of black color. It will be the head part of for the bridal. Now apply glue and connect the black color dome on the head part. Now make a hairstyle for the bridal like this with the paper strip. Now here I made the nose and ears. Now connect nose and ears to the bridal and I have painted facial expressions on the face with aquatic colors and I have attached small jewelry to the bridal like this. It will be looking super cute. Now take back the hands and connect hands to the bridal like this as shown in the position. Here I am making talambralu set, so we have to make like this position. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Now I have attached jewelry to the face also. Now join 3 mm 5 strips and make a hair for the bridal like this. Join 3 mm 3 strip for one tight coil like this. You have to make 4 to 6 tight coils like this. It will be the long hair for bridal. Now make a leaf. Just cut in a leaf shape and connect on the head part of the bridal like this. Now here I am making red color flowers for decorating the hair. Make some cuts and make a tight coil and open it like this. Apply glue and open it. Here I am making red color flower. Here I am making pelli poola jada for bridal. Open it like this. You have to make some flowers. Now again take a 10 mm white color paper and fold it to half as shown in the video like this. Now take a scissor and make cuts as shown in the video. You have to cut like this. Repeat until end and open to half like this. It will give a jasmine flower look like this for decorating the bridal hair. I have decorated bridal hair around the hair like this and I have attached red color flowers in the middle like this. Now I have connected it to the face. Now connect face to the base body of bridal like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry. After drying it will be like this. It is looking super cute. Now bridal is ready almost. Cute bridal doll. Now repeat same procedure for the leg part for the bridegroom also. Here I made dhoti for the bridegroom like this. Repeat same procedure. Cover the whole legs with the paper like this. It will be the dhoti. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make a little bit dome shape as shown in the video. Here I am making bridegroom for talambralu side and make little bit in a bending shape like this as shown in the video. Again join 3 mm 25 strips and make a little dome shape like this as shown in the video. It should be in a little bent position as shown in the video. Here I am making talambralu scene in the marriage. Apply glue neatly around the domes and spread the glue neatly with the help of brush. Spread it neatly with the help of brush. Let it dry for some time. Again join 5 mm 20 strips and make a small tight coil. After drying, connect the two domes like this. Now dome is ready. Base body. Now take back this tight coil line, apply glue neatly and connect on the down part of the base like this. Now base body of the bridegroom is ready. Just I have cut it in a shirt shape like this. I have painted and I have cutted this and I have attached around the tight coil like this to give a shirt look, like this pattu shirt look. It has adjust as per the coils and domes. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a neck. Now here I am making dupatta for the bridegroom like this. Just I have made pleats and connect this pleats to the two sides of the base body like this. Now dress part is ready. Now again join 5 mm and 3 mm black color and skin color tight coils and make a dome shapes like this. Skin color make a little bit small shape as shown in the bridal. Now I have attached nose and ears and I have made facial expressions on the face. Repeat same procedure as bridal. I have attached a small chain for the bridegroom like this to give a nice look. Now connect the face like this. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry. Now here I am making hands. Join 5 mm 3 strips and make a cone shape like this. It will be the hands for the bridegroom. Here I am making talambralu set. Again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a little bit big cone. It will be the lower part hands of the bridegroom. Make little bit bigger compared to bridal. The hand should be in the upper side position. Apply glue neatly. Apply glue around the two cones like this with the help of toothpick. After drying, again join 3 mm 3 strips and make a small tight coils. It will be the palm. Now I have made another also with the same procedure. Now again take this paper. Just I have painted it and rotate around the hands to give a nice dress look, nice pattu dress look like this. Now connect hands like this. Now apply glue and connect the palm. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. It should be in a little bit bent position. Let it dry for some time. Now apply glue. Take a 5 mm paper strip and apply glue neatly. Here I am making rice talambralu for the bridal. Now roll it as shown in the video. It will give a nice look, like a rice look. Apply glue and make it as thin as thin. You can use make talambralu with the paper or with the cotton or with the real rice. You can make it. It is up to you how to make. Now I have connected this paper talambralu on the hands and on the upper part of I have decorated this paper rice with the around the bridal to give a talambralu scene look. Now again join 3 mm 35 strips and make a a dome shape. Here I am making talambralu plate, and after drying I have painted with the red color. Again join 3 mm 30 strips and apply glue. Make a little bit dome shape. Apply glue. Let it dry for some time. Here I am making talambralu plate. Now take this talambralu paper and cut it into the small pieces like a rice, and apply glue around this tight dome shape, around this dome, and connect this small paper rice on the tight coil to give a nice paper rice look. Join 3 mm 3 strips and make a small dome shape of chocolate color. Here I am making coconut. Now again join 2 mm 2 strips of white color and make a cone shape. It will be the coconut. Further make small leaf and place coconut on the leaf like this. After drying it will be like this. It is looking super cute. Now take a piece of cardboard. Here I am making seat for bride and bridegroom. Now apply glue and connect this cardboard on the yellow color paper. Now cut on the 4 edges as shown in the video like this. Here I am making seats for the bride and bridegroom. Here I am making talambralu set. Apply glue neatly on the edge part. Brush it like this. It will give a nice and neat look. Cover the 4 edges like this. With the same process I have made another one also, and I have painted with the traditional paintings, stickers like this with acrylic paints. Now seats are ready. Now place the bride and bridegroom on the seats. Now I have decorated the cardboard with the black color paper and place the dolls on the base cardboard like this. Now the talambralu scene is ready. Marriage scene, marriage dolls, quilling dolls, wedding dolls. It is looking super cute. It is very easy to make. Very beautiful. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.